guys, it's me. And so there's a fire. And we're at the fireworks show, and the police are over there. Fire department is over there, and then the fire is way over there. It's on a field with dry grass because it keeps spreading, and it's way over there. See that red spot? That's where the fire is. Because one of the fireworks was going down, and it caught tiny bit of grass, dry grass. So it's spreading. Whoa. Fire's right over there. Dude, last year there was a fire. It was spread on a tree over somewhere there. And so it wasn't this big and it wasn't spreading. It was only on a tree.
Adam. I'm getting onto my YouTube channel. Guys, it's me. There's a fire at the 4th of July tonight.
Yes.
It's a fire.
I found another wild YouTuber.
Yeah, wild.
Wild. Yeah.
See this? There's a fire.
Yeah. In my channel, there's a red fire way over there.
And like, these fireworks are awesome and amazing.
Yeah. One of the fireworks caught from all the way here.
This is 2019 now. These fireworks are amazing.
No, we're still in 2018.
Almost 2019.
Yeah.
There's a fire and we're all too scared.
One of the fireworks, things came down and it caught on dry grass, and it tiny bit, and then it started spreading, and so over there you can see
the
red
firefighters are over there trying to fix it.
Yeah,
also scared.
it's still spreading. And it's getting bigger, so we're scared.
I could see the things from like a mile away.
It keeps spreading.
And
Aiden, the fire's rising. It wasn't that big before. We can actually see the flames now.
I'm a pyro, not anymore. I'm a good pyro. These things so big.
Dude,
Last year it was just one tree. So, oh my.
Dude, I feel like this is dangerous.
Yeah, and it's still falling onto the dry grass. They need to stop the fireworks.
I don't want to die.
Today's our death day. No more happy birthday. It's
No
death
more.
day.
And no more YouTube videos.
Sorry guys, I won't be posting anymore.
Because we'll be dead.
We'll be done you're watching in China.
And as you can see, and we're going to be reborn into people in China, and we're going to make videos. Oh no, stress, gonna sing sass.
That's not fault. Or I can just move to California and that wild boy here.
California is the easy place to get fired. Oh, you can hear sirens.
Oh.
Dude, the fire's spreading. It went from all the way there to there.
Dude,
There to there.
I can hear them coming through.
This fire's spreading. Nate, fire spreading went from all the way to there to there.
No.
This is dangerous. How are we gonna get home?
This is risky.
Bye, wild YouTuber.
Bye, wild other YouTuber. Mom, can we get packed up and leave? Dad? The fire's spreading!
It's all the way over there. It's fine.
It's spreading! Do you not know it's spreading there?
What's going on? Everybody's like, where's the fire? Well, last year they lit a tree on fire over there.
We were here for that one, and the very first year we were here, the one across I-5 happened. In that field over there.
Right now. Well, YouTuber's in his car.
Yeah.
And so, this is risky. Or I just want to go home right now because
You're fine. Stop.
I want to go home. It's risky.
Stop it.
Stop it. I got you on YouTube now.
All right, he's right.
I'm putting my thing in the truck. Blanket in the truck. Getting ready to go. Back in the truck. Whoa. Top. Ooh, I just want to get home.
Yeah, everyone's gonna go off. I don't know what's going on.
I just want to go home.
Move.
Okay, I'm going. Everyone pack your things up. I don't want to be here right now. I'm scared. Bye-bye. Riding the truck. Dad, where do I put this? The fire's getting bigger. Really, the fire's getting bigger. Dad, where do I put these? With this chair. Dad,
What?
where do I put
Did
these?
you put it back in the thing?
No, I can't find it. It wasn't there with the thing.
What?
It wasn't there with the thing next to it. I just want to go. I don't want to be here anymore. I hate this. We probably can't even get home because the fire is spreading. So we probably can't get home. Mom, where do I put this? Here. There you go. There you go, Mom. There's the charger. Fire spreading this way. Fire spreading this way. God. We have to go. Okay. Fire spreading this way. Fire. I've always loved fire, but whew. Dad, where do I put this?
Jason's phone's ringing.
I haven't ran any phones yet. There's a phone on the ground. There's one right here.
Jason.
Dad, where do I put this blanket? Where do I put this blanket, Dad?
Put it in the back of the truck.
Okay.
That shit's still smoking.
I just poured water on it.
Fire!
It's on fire! It's flaming! Alright, hang on. There's 3 fires! Maybe 3! I don't know. Our shit was over here burning!
We do not want to cause another fire! I mean, seriously, come on, Dad. Oh, God.
Adam, get the red chair.
Okay.
Oh, that's my chair.
Oh, okay.
But Nathan, can you put it in my bag?
I have no idea where your bag is.
It's underneath there, right there. Are you
Okay.
leaving?
No, we're just setting up.
Oh, okay. But we can sit in here and watch them, right? Hey, where'd they go? Did they all leave? Nathan and all them.
Yeah?
Nice.
Because the fire, there's the police.
They always take off at this time.
Why?
We're going to other people.
I thought they were gonna pull into the spot when those people left. I didn't think they were gonna leave. Okay, I got ice on it. Thank you. No problem. I just came over and I'm like, oh shit, it's flaming.
What's that? What happened?
It's
Oh.
on fire. Yeah, the flame
Be
is on
careful.
fire.
Sorry. I'm making a video for my YouTube channel. Scooting over so you can see the fire. It's actual flames over there. But it's getting smaller, I think. All this just because of fireworks show. There's a bunch of people over there.
Green chair out there.
Oh, that's Jason. Over here, Mom.
Yeah. I'm freaking out right now. I just trying to go home right now. I mean, the fire's spreading. Because I was trying to get the fire over there.
Be careful, please.
I know.
And your sister's worried about you. Don't.
Hey, well, are you okay? Haven't you have a bloody nose like me?
Bloody nose.
Let me see your face. Yeah.
Dad, I bloody nose.
They're putting out the
Adam, out of the
fire.
way, please.
Okay. Roger. Yeah, the fire's still going. You like that firework right now? How it's going down to the ground? Yeah. Whoa. So yeah, there's a thing. Everybody is, and so, dude, the fire's onto another tree. Nothing. I'm recording a video for YouTube. And so the fire's still going, and so I think it's done. Yep, it's done. Okay. I just want to get home. Oh wait, never mind. Oh God. That scared me. What? No one. I just want to get home. Fire's ready. Ow. Ow. Why are the fireworks still going after there's the fire? Why is it still going? Joey, no, I'm supposed to be.
You're the clear side of the fire.
Hey, Joey, stop. This is fun, but sketchy too. I'm pretty sure the firemen are taking it out. There's fireworks over there.
And here they come.
Yeah, it's down here, guys. Hello.
We're done. Yay. Now we can go home and be safe.
They're gonna be in trouble.
What?
They don't have a water truck with them. They're gonna be in trouble.
Yeah. Search over there from some people. So a lot of people are leaving.
There you go.
I think it's time to go. Yeah. Phew. I hope the fire doesn't spread. It'd be bad if this fire spreads. I'm just straight out scared.
Yeah, I know. I gotta get mine in my bag.
Excuse me, Joey. Excuse me. Okay, everyone just get in the truck. Would you rather die? Or would you rather have just stuff in your spot?